Okay, this thing getting on my nerves now. This the third time I done tried to film this video, and I'm getting pissed off. If this thing cut off again, I'm about to be real mad and gonna be up in here screaming because I'm already hungry. I'm already hungry, and my husband got me at this dang on oil changer place. I don't want to be here. I don't want to be in no oil changers at no 12 o'clock in the afternoon.
Cool. Appreciate it.
I don't care what the transmission oil looks like, man.
You stop. Oh, Debbie Downer over
Get
here.
me out of here. I'm hungry. I don't want to eat. Yeah.
See, it's best to say, if she's not running,
Yeah.
you're not running.
Taking his time.
Cool. Cool. I don't even be looking at that stuff. I just say, all right,
I
cool.
know, like, we don't even know what to look
He
at.
could have said
He
there's a
coulda
pile of
said-
boo-boo on there. I was like,
What is that?
I don't know. What did he say?
I think he said turn it on.
I did turn it on.
Turn it off then.
I turned it on.
I think he said turn it back on, babe.
No, he didn't.
See? This man done got the oil change 500 times and he don't know what to do. The man told him to turn it on and he was gonna sit here. Look at this. I just got a whole gray patch right there. I never noticed that. Like, I can't see that in the house. There's a whole gray patch. Oh, Lord. Now we gotta move. Oh, see, I don't like this. Did you pay already?
Nope, not yet.
Oh, you pay out here?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you got to get off to pay? Oh, Lord. Ooh, I don't like this. Oh, Lord, Lord, Jesus.
I never understood why. Well,
I don't
they
like
get your license and everything anyway.
For what? Oh, in case you
So ditch.
ditch. You can't call, what would this be called? What is this? Oil changer ditch? That don't sound like diner ditch. Oh, that must have been their wife. That must have been their wife bringing the Taco Bell.
No, there was a guy.
50 even.
Okay.
You got a bonus card already. Here you go. This your copy.
All right.
$50 for an oil change. $50. Is that a lot?
We good for it.
I ain't complaining. $50 for an oil change. I ain't talking about nothing. It ain't nothing to talk about. I'm so hungry. Like, I'm super hungry. And this is a really unflattering.
She gonna post it anyway.
I sure am. I surely will. I sure am. I sure am.
Is.
I'm sure is. I'm is.
I'm is.
I'm is. I'm sure is. That makes it even show. When you put show on it, I'm sure is gonna post this. Yep. Ooh, that little car. Somebody hit him all up in the front.
Here you are.
All right.
I wonder how long we're gonna be able to drive with the. Oh, I like that bike. I want a bike, babe. He's showing all his.
You got a sticker up there already?
Oh yeah.
He's showing all his butt crack.
This is no one.
Cool.
Hey,
Appreciate
you have a
it.
good weekend.
You too, man.
Thank you. You too. I don't know how long y'all gonna hold on. Cause I don't know if when the cars start moving, if y'all fall, I'll pick y'all up.
It's gonna fall.
It's gonna fall. It's stuck to the thing though.
I'll tell you right now, it's gonna fall.
Let me take it out. I'm gonna hold on to y'all for a little while.
What do you want? What do you want to eat?
I don't care. I thought you wanted some nations.
Nations it is.
Really?
Your wish.
No,
It's
I
not
didn't
that
really
I-
want nations though.
Oh, what do you want?
No, I don't care. If you want nations, we want nations. Did you want that? That's what you was talking about earlier.
I'm talking about it earlier, but no, actually, we're going back to the house now, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I'm in the wrong lane.
No, I thought we was getting something to eat, then going back to the house. Because I gotta pee. And I think Nations got a thing on their door.
You gotta wait. If you're going to Nations.
You can't even use the bathroom at Nations. Okay, I'm finna go, y'all. I'm tired of holding this thing already. Tell them bye, y'all.